Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and as you can tell, I have blonde hair again, and I'm wearing my favorite hair dyeing shirt. I'm so happy I actually have it today because it is the start of a brand new series. And on the series today, we are going to be on the search for the best pink hair dye on the market. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this because literally, like, I feel my best when I'm at pink. Like, I had so much fun with all those other hair colors last year, and I got it all out of my system, except I might do yellow again in the future. We'll see. But literally, like, I had so much fun dyeing my hair all those colors, but it is time to go back to my pink roots because, oh my gosh, do I miss having pink hair. I keep looking at pictures of when I had pink hair, and I just miss it so much. But, like, ever since my favorite pink hair dye is just gone, I can't find it, I have been on the hunt to find the perfect shade of pink for my hair. So we're going to start off this series with Arctic Fox Virgin Pink. I have heard a lot of great things about this pink color, and the reason why I chose to do this first is I still have a few like blue tones in my bang for some reason. They just won't disappear. Like, I'm going to be cutting them tonight too, but you can tell it's still got a little blue in there. The rest of my hair is white, so I know this holds a little bit of like a bluey pink tint, so like it might go well with the bang. We'll see. Who knows? I'm not really a hairstylist, guys. I just like dyeing my hair. So we're gonna see what happens, but I've heard a lot of great things about this color, and also this is a brand by Kristen Leanne Fox here on YouTube, and she is super cool. I love her videos. I've been following her for a while, and I've been wanting to try Arctic Fox for the longest time, and I'm just so excited to pick this up at Sally's today. And I'm ready to see what this pink looks like. I'm just super hyped for pink, but yeah, like, this is gonna be good. I'm so excited. So let's get this video going. Let's dye my hair. I have to be up at 5 in the morning to go to Disney, and it is 12:30 right now. I'm the best at doing this. So let's brush my hair and get all these knots out so we have a smoother application, yada yada yada. You know, it's kind of basic knowledge now. If you've watched any of my hair videos, you gotta brush your hair first before you dye your hair. Alright, now that your hair is all brushed out and you have no knots, so you have a smooth and even application, it's time to put on those gloves so you do not stain your hands. Because again, I don't really know how this dye works, and I have to be at Disney tomorrow. I don't want pink stained hands, even though it would go with my Disney bound. I'm going to be Piglet tomorrow, but I don't want to risk it. So you're just going to need a container to hold your dye, some conditioner, and your hair dye of choice. Now with this series, I do want to say I am going to be pastelizing all of these hair dyes because I do not want a bright pink. I like pastel pink hair. So again, all of these dyes will be diluted. It is on the search for the perfect pastel pink, basically. So, you know, let's see what happens. I'm really excited. So I'm just going to pour some conditioner into this bowl and get started. So I added about a half a bottle of conditioner to this because I have a lot of hair, and also if I wanted to like have extra dye for later, I just put a lid on this Tupperware, save it for another time, or kind of when I wash my hair. We'll see. I don't know if I'm just doing color or if I should do like a whole review of how long it lasted. Let me know what you guys want from this. Like, do you want just to see what the color is each time, or do you want me to like at the end of the month or as soon as it faded recap about how long it was in my hair and like how long it lasted, or we do it like after a couple dyes? We'll see. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys want to see with this. I just kind of want to see what color it turns out. So that's what the series is, to find my perfect shade of pink or help you guys find your favorite shade of pink. Now we're going to go on into the dye. I already took off the little peel thing, the security peel, you know, so it doesn't get bad, just so we didn't have to deal with that on camera like we usually do. And I did get a whiff of it. Now it kind of smells like grape medicine, which I don't mind. Like, that was my favorite medicine, but that's kind of like the scent I get from this. So it's not like bubblegummy. I mean, it might be bubblegummy. I don't know how it's supposed to smell, but to me it smells like grape medicine. Now this is vegan. It's not tested on animals, so that's really great. Yeah, let's just add in. So I'm going to squeeze about this much in. I know that's a lot, but we have a lot of conditioner in there and I have a lot of hair. I want to make sure I get the most pigment I can out of it. And we're just going to mix it together until we get a fully pink conditioner. I felt kind of bad when I was at Sally's because the lady there was checking me out. She was like, "Oh, are you like doing this on your hair, or are you like you doing it on a friend?" I was like, "Oh, I'm doing it on mine." She was like, you're gonna need another bottle. And I was like, no, like, I'm good. Like, I do pastel colors. And I know she was trying to help, but I was like, look, I'm in a hurry. I have to be at work in like 15 minutes. Like, I'm just trying to check out real quick, get the hair dye. I know you're being nice and doing your job, but like, I do pastel colors a lot. So like, she's like, you're gonna have to leave it on your hair for a long time. And I'm like, I know, like, I know how it works. This isn't my first time in the pastel pink rodeo. But yeah, so you're just going to keep mixing your color until it is fully mixed through and you don't see any more white in the container. So I ended up using about this much of the hair dye. I know that seems a lot, but I did use a lot of conditioner. And I really want to make sure I get the most pigment because I'm only going to be doing this one time and I need to be pink for the morning. And of course, it will always fade. So that is the best thing about doing a pastel color. Even if you do it too dark, it will help you last longer. So now I'm just gonna start applying it to my head, and I just kind of go in and apply it everywhere. I'm just gonna go in and cover on my head. So I kind of just work it in with my hands. People use brushes. I don't have the patience. So again, I'm not a professional. If you wanted a professional video, go talk to a professional, I guess. I'm just a girl who dyes her hair with semi-permanent colors. I would never like tell anyone how to bleach or do anything actually damaging to their hair, but seeing as this is mostly conditioner and dye, I'm not really worried. So I just kind of go in with my fingers and really lather it in like inch pieces, making sure I cover every inch with the pink dye. So we're just gonna go in and cover that up. I'm not really focusing it on the roots because again, those are dark and there's really no point to dye those pink, but around the hair around it, yes. And I'm gonna add a little bit extra. And this is the final result. I left it in my hair for about an hour and like look how cute it rinsed out. I literally am obsessed. Now honestly, like it is a bit more of a purpler pink than I like. I love a true cool tone pink, like a blue base pink like this one, but I feel like maybe my hair just had a hint too much of blue tone still in it from before maybe. So that's why it pulled this color, but I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I still feel really cute, and like I've just been wearing a lot of pink and purple makeup with it. It's kind of a couple days old now because I did go to Disney with this hair, but like it's still looking nice, it's still looking fresh. I am a fan. I have no complaints. Now this isn't the perfect shade of pink for me, but I still like it. I am a fan. And it was literally perfect for my Piglet Disney bound, so it worked out great anyway. So yeah, this is the Arctic Fox hair dye. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Is this your perfect shade of pink? Let me know down below in the comments. Yeah, I think it looks really pretty. I'm very happy with the result. So I am ready to use this for the rest of the month and then try out a different pink next month. Let's see what happens. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I would just be super rad of you guys. And also comment down below what hair dye you think I should try next because there are so many pink hair dyes out there. So let's get going. But yeah, I like it. I feel cute. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!